Finding your Xbox app's 6-digit code.
Hello there, and welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to talk about how you can find the 6-digit code for the Xbox app. If you're trying to set up your Xbox console with the Xbox mobile app and it's asking for a 6-digit code, you're in the right place.
What is the 6-digit code?
First, let's discuss what the 6-digit code is. This code is a security measure implemented by Microsoft to ensure that you are the actual owner of the Xbox console you're trying to connect to. It's a unique code that appears on your Xbox console, which you'll then enter into the Xbox mobile app.
How to locate the 6-digit code.
Now, let's move on to the important part: how to find this code. 1. Power on your Xbox console. 2. Navigate to the settings page. 3. Select Devices and Connections, then select Add a Device. 4. Your Xbox will now display a 6-digit code on the screen. This is the code that you'll need to input into your Xbox mobile app.
Entering the 6-digit code on the Xbox app.
Now that you have your 6-digit code, here's how you enter it in your Xbox mobile app. 1. Launch the Xbox mobile app. 2. Tap on the Set up a console button. 3. Tap Enter code manually at the bottom of your screen. 4. Here, enter the 6-digit code displayed on your Xbox console. After you've entered this code, your app should connect with your Xbox console, and you'll be ready to start using your Xbox app to control and interact with your Xbox console. And that's it. You've successfully found and entered your 6-digit code. This should help you to securely pair your Xbox app with your console. We hope this guide has been helpful, and enjoy using your Xbox app.